Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. First, open your web browser. Here, make a search for Facebook hacked and fake accounts. Now tap to open the first link. Scroll down, then click on the first tab under Hacked Accounts. From here, click on the link, visit this page. Then select a reason here and continue. In order to secure your account, click on Get Started. Wait for a while till the processing gets completed. Next, click on Continue again. So change your password here by typing current and new passwords. Then click on Continue. Doing so, you can recover your hacked Facebook account. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.